Hello, this is Chinese Penny Stock Pre-Market Summary. The U.S. stock market ended a choppy Monday trading session, not as investors appeared to book profits after last week's rally. Small caps tech stocks led trading declines. The Russell 2000 decreased 0.9%, while the Nasdaq declined 0.47%. Dow Jones was down 0.1%, and S&P 500 fell below its 50 days moving average last week and has struggled to move above the threshold as it was down by 0.16% on Monday. The Chinese penny stock did not perform very well on Monday, as biggest rise only increased about 8%. CHGS, the share price of this China-based resource company, has decreased more than 80% in less than a month. Its price has been under $1 for more than 2 years, and we didn't see any potential driver which could stimulate its price up in the near future. CDC, a real estate agency, provides real estate service in China. Its price was up 6.07%, closing at $1.40. It has begun displaying property inventory on Alibaba's B2C platform since September. Moreover, as reported, ICBC, Bank of China, Agriculture Bank of China, and the China Construction Bank may relax the standard for the first home purchases to support China's sliding property market. The policymakers also tried to ease the property policy in China. Those all can be good news to CDC, for which CDC could be good invest targets if the Chinese property market rebounds. In addition, VIMC, CPSI, CPSL both increased by more than 5% on Monday. All four big players, SINO, CNET, CNET, and CGGD, all decreased by more than 7%. Well, the CNET was down by about 9%, and after market decline came up to 6%. CNET has received a letter from the Nasdaq exchanger on 11th June, warning that its stock had failed to maintain a minimum price of $1 during the previous 30 trading days. The stock increased back above $1 on 16th September and built up a solid business partnership with Alibaba. The shares of CNT just reached the year high at $3.50 on 26th September. An investor should stick with CNET to say whether its price momentum is rising up or not. So this is all for today's pre-market summary on Chinese Penny Stock. You can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.